If your Messenger stories aren't showing up, don't panic. I'm gonna show you an easy way to fix it, so let's get started. First of all, make sure your Messenger app is updated. Open the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Messenger and then tap on Update if available. Next, try closing Messenger completely. Swipe up from the bottom and swipe off the Messenger screen and reopen it. Then, check your internet connection. Stories won't load if your connection is weak, so try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if it helps. Now, if it still doesn't work, log out and log back into your account. Another thing to try is reinstalling Messenger. Delete the app completely from your device and go back to the App Store or Google Play Store, search for Messenger and reinstall it. Also, make sure your friends actually posted stories. Sometimes it's not a bug, there may simply be no new stories to show. Finally, check if your account is restricted or inactive because Messenger might hide stories in certain cases. And that's all. Try these steps and your Messenger stories should appear again. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.